You've poured everything into your products, including capital, hard work, and your reputation. Right now, your greatest vulnerability isn't your competition, and your greatest challenge isn't product innovation. It's execution in the field. So we engineered a revenue accelerator, introducing FS University, a robust educational program combining on-demand and in-person customized training designed to generate industry-leading growth for our manufacturers. Our on-demand curriculum delivers 3 levels of manufacturer product training, ensuring our reps understand their products and are equipped to sell effectively. FS University also tracks course completion and scores, giving us clear visibility into product knowledge and ensuring consistent market execution. We also partner with LSU to deliver a certified sales curriculum, strengthening coaching and development across every division. Our FS University platform leverages roleplay AI activities to deliver practical feedback that improves sales skills and drives employees' confidence. Through our Expert Edge courses, critical institutional wisdom is retained, documented, and used to train new reps. The result is a sales force built to sell more, sell bigger, sell faster. This is the investment we make for our manufacturing partners. At Forward Solutions, we don't just represent your brand, we build an institution around it. Let's build connections that move you forward. Reach out today and let's get to work.